Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my video. Today we're going to talk about how to double your profit for the Cash Building System Unlimited. And basically we're going to talk about this because I want to just explain to you how you can make more money doing the same thing. Okay? In the last video we talked about the Cash Building System Unlimited compensation plan. Today we're going to talk about why you should upgrade for better profits. Look at this little guy. He working away, working his behind off. But like I say, same profits. More profits, same effort. Let's continue. Okay, so Bob, we're gonna talk about Bob again. Bob joined CBSU in phase one for $50 under his sponsor, Julie. Bob receives his package of 200 postcards, 200 leads, and of course he ordered his stamps, so Bob was ready to go. Bob decided that he was going to set a goal for himself, so Bob decided to mail out 150 postcards a week as his goal. He ordered more product, he ordered more leads, he ordered more postcards, he ordered more leads, he ordered more stamps. So Bob was on his way. Bob was dedicated. After a few months, Bob's friend John saw what he was doing and decided to join CBSU as well. John decided that he was going to mail out 150 postcards just like Bob. So he ordered more postcards, he ordered more leads, and he ordered his stamps. And see, that's why I say I can't come on here and tell you guys to do this stuff if I'm not going to do it. That wouldn't be right. That wouldn't be right at all. John also decided to upgrade to phase two for $500, and he did this within 2 weeks after joining under Bob. Months pass as both Bob and John are being consistent mailing out their postcard. Now they haven't seen any profits yet because, like I said, this is not overnight get rich quick. You gotta work. You gotta work for this business. That's the only way it's gonna work for you. Okay? Bob begins to see steady $25 payments coming in his mailbox and got really excited and decided to put forth more effort to receive more $25 payments. In the meantime, John continued mailing out his postcards weekly. Remember, he didn't start when Bob started, so he's not going to see profits right now. Bob started posting on social media daily. And guess what? John gets his first 2 sign-ups and made $50. Bob's efforts pays off, and now instead of making $200 a week, he is now receiving $300 a week, mailing out his postcards and posting on social media. John is pumped as well. The 2 people that joined under him, they upgraded to the $500 level. Now Bob receives $350 a week, mailing 150 postcards and posting on social media daily. John received $1,400 this week, mailing 150 postcards a week. That's it. Bob puts in more effort than John, got more sales, but made less money than John. John, he stayed consistent with his mailing, put in less effort than Bob, and made more money because why? He upgraded. Bob decided that in order to double his money, he needed to upgrade to phase two at the $500 level in order to receive better profits. But now here's the kicker. Because Bob did not upgrade within 2 weeks of signing up, he's only going to receive that $350 profit. He won't receive the $700 profit like Bob. Okay? Like John. Now, since Bob puts in more effort to get more sales, he is now making more money than John since he's upgraded. John begins to see how Bob's profits are increasing due to upgrades and posting on social media. Bob is happy that he and John can push each other to do better in their business. Basically, guys, if you have this is like having an accountability partner or being around people that's doing the same thing that you're doing, and it motivates you to keep going. That's what's so great about the Facebook group that we have that you can join once you become a member, or you can join the Facebook group now and just take a look around and see, interact with the people that's in there and see how positive it is and how much information you get from each other. Anyway, let's continue. Now John has decided to add video to his business model and might consider posting on social media in the future. The purpose of this video is to show you how, with the same effort, you can double your money by upgrading in the Cash Building System Unlimited. Whenever you join a business, guys, either with postcards or an online business, keep in mind that when you upgrade a level or two higher, your profits will be greater with the same efforts. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video, but before we go, I would like for you guys, it's time to sign up, get going. Let's make some better money for ourselves. This is the website that you can go to, JD Marketing System, Cash Building System Unlimited. Go to my website, click on the link in the description box, listen to the video, okay? Again, you join under phase 1. You will receive 200 proven postcards, 200 leads, and that will qualify you to receive $200 commissions. $25 commissions. I'm so sorry. And it only costs you $50 to join. You can click on this button to join now, or you have the option to join by mail. And all you would have to do is when you see the button that says join by mail, you will click that button. It will bring you to a page that you can print out, fill out, and mail in. You want larger payments, join at a higher level. Basically, that means once you join in phase 2, phase 1, you go into phase 2, you can join at the $100 level, the $300 level, or the $500 level. The $100 level qualifies you to receive $70 payments. The $300 level qualifies you to make $150 payments. Receive $150 payments. And joining in at level 5 qualifies you to receive $350 payments. Keep in mind that if you decide to join within 2 weeks of signing up under phase 1, you will automatically be bumped to the next level, which will in turn give you more profits. Here is my sponsor ID, 2711, for you to get started. Please be sure to put that on your mailing. If you decide to join by mail, please add the 2711 since I will be your sponsor. Okay, and like I said, guys, this is the best time ever to get started. It's time to increase your income, bring in that extra money. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, guys. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back with another video for the Cash Building System Unlimited and other ideas and things that you can do in order to make your life better. Have a good day, guys.